Hi. Today we're going to tell you about what to do during the suspension period. Let's get started. If your Google AdSense account has been suspended, you will receive an email from the company stating that it was due to violation of traffic. Unfortunately, you can't appeal in this situation. The goal of a suspension is to investigate the reason for it and prevent suspicious traffic from entering the network. In addition to blocking the illegal traffic, a suspension also gives users time to find the sources of the issue. If you are considering preventing an account suspension, it is important that you regularly monitor and analyze the traffic on your website. Doing so will allow you to make informed decisions regarding your account. Unfortunately, there can still be some discrepancies because analytics does not always provide the exact details about which bot traffic was filtered. If you have a disabled Google account, you need to fill out an appeal form to get it reinstated. Although it's not clear if the account will be restored, Google will do its best to notify you as soon as possible. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.